Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't pay.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia, and your girl has been reading your comments, and I've been switching it up for you guys because I love y'all so much. You guys are the reason why our channel continues to grow. So yeah, whatever it is that you guys say you want to see from us, I will sure enough do it, okay? So link your request down below. But the number one comment we tend to get is you guys want to see affordable options. You guys don't want to break the bank trying to look cute, and I completely agree. But before I get into this one, I will say this straight up. No, this was not sent to me. Yes, I bought this with my own coins. No, I am not sponsored by Amazon. This was purchased with my own money, as a lot of our Amazon videos have been. So you guys can definitely trust us on this one. But I was looking for some affordable options that were very cute and had decent reviews. So I did pick up this one from the store. I believe it's called Joedir. I will link everything down below. Be sure to click on my link because they did issue a disclaimer saying that there was other companies stealing their photos and their name and claiming to be them, because I believe they have a really good reputation on Amazon. So be sure to click my link so you don't get mistaken. But this is what I did pick up from them. This is their Italian Yaki lace front wig. The parting room on this one is 13 by 4 inches, so you're going to get a lot of parting space. This is what their pre-plucked hairline looks like. I'm going to do some customizing, but honestly, you guys, you do not need to, because even after I plucked my hairline, it still looked like this because it really didn't tweeze that well. Those knots are knotted so well that tweezing it was like, it was a lot of work. So you don't need to go in and do any plucking with this unit. It's fine the way it is, and once you start styling it, it looks the same. So I really wasted my time with that one. But having wigs that have knots that strong pretty much means it's not going to shed, and I've had this hair since November. So and I can tell you guys straight off the bat that I really didn't experience that much shedding. This is how much hair I did pluck out, which really isn't that much. But in terms of styling, I am opting for a deep C part on the right side of my head. With this unit, you can put a part in the middle, you can put a part on the left side, you can put a super deep part on either side. It really doesn't matter. It's all within that parting room or that parting capacity. You can even do a half up, half down with this one because there is a lot of space. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in terms of styling. And as far as the unit that I did pick up, the length on this one is 24 inches. It's 180% density, and this is not human, this is synthetic, but it feels and looks just like human hair. I mean, do your research, read the reviews, everybody is saying it. It also acts like human hair, so if you want to curl it with a hot curler or put a flat iron to it, you can, and I'm going to show you guys in this video that you can. All right, so this is how the hair looks after I get it on, and I did cut off that lace off camera, and I did sew on an elastic band. It does not come with an elastic band. But now I'm taking my hot comb and I have it on the highest setting, which is a 20. I'll also link that down below. But when you're using their wigs, I find that you can use a really hot temperature tool, and it works very well. So I'm using my hot comb just to tame the baby hairs that are in the front, to get the top to lay flat, and to get the hair to fall back. Okay, and it works very well with the hot comb. And yeah, I didn't do any tinting to the lace of this unit. So what I'm gonna do here is just take my LA Girl Pro Conceal and place that in the parting space, and I'm gonna top it off with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. You can also use whatever foundation you use on your face on the inside of the lace, and that also gives you a really good bleached knot look. Okay, So I'm now taking my flat iron from Sotra. This is their Seductress flat iron, which I love because the plates move, so you can curl the unit with this one, or you can just get it to look nice and flat. And I do have mine on the highest heat setting, and if you go slow enough, you can get rid of those crimps in the hair, but I just went through it quickly because I really wanted, you know, to keep that crimped look because it looks like Yaki hair. So yeah, here are the angles of my hair. The color of this unit is their TT1B30 Ombre effect. It's the perfect ombre if you ask me, because I hate it when it has that really strong demarcation. This one fades just like a dream. It has a lot of body, it has a lot of movement. It's 180% density, so it's nice and full. You can certainly add layers to this one. Again, you can curl it, you can straight iron it or flat iron it, and yeah, so far so good. This unit is, I believe, $46 on Amazon, and I got it in 2 days using Prime. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and if you have any requests, definitely leave it down below. I will catch you guys later. Bye guys.